The most important Galaxy S24 Ultra leak is finally here. It seems like Samsung has outdone themselves and created the smartest smartphone in the market. We not only have the official leaked look at the Galaxy AI features, but also the confirmation that Galaxy S24 series will be able to save your life. Let's start with what could be the most exciting feature of the Galaxy AI, and that is being able to generate wallpapers based on any command. You can type any description and in return you're gonna see a beautiful wallpaper which you can even further customize by adding some weather effects like sunny, cloudy, rainy, and more. Then we have a feature that's going to absolutely change the way you call on your phone, and that is live translation of phone calls in real time. As the description says, the person you call can hear what you say in their language and you can hear their response in your language. It is absolutely mind-blowing that this is gonna happen in real time on your phone. We also have voice focus for clearer calls. With the help of Galaxy AI, all the background noises will be removed in order to create a proper clear voice experience. Furthermore, you'll now be able to crop subjects from a video clip, something you weren't able to do before. Not only that, you can take the subject from one clip and paste it to another, which is just absolutely mind-blowing. And yes, the S24 Ultra will be able to save your life as it has the official support for satellite connectivity for emergency messages. This is such a crucial feature that is thankfully finally coming to the S24 series. We also have enhanced protection for batteries, so if you want to protect your battery health for a longer period of time, you can have the maximum protection option. And lastly, according to the source, the software UI will be very optimized in terms of smooth animations on the Galaxy S24 series, smoother than any One UI software before. And lastly, but most importantly, this is going to be the biggest use of Galaxy AI, which is AI chat model directly implemented in Samsung keyboard. Yes, Samsung keyboard will have 4 types of Gen AI models from Palm 2 to ChatGPT 4, Gecko, and SCS. This is not a rumor anymore. You're literally looking at an actual screen recording of the Galaxy AI based One UI 6.1. Everything we talked about in this video is pretty much an official early look at the One UI 6.1, the software that will come right out of the box with the entire Galaxy S24 series. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe for all the updates. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.